Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, what if I told you your next hair growth breakthrough is hiding right in your pantry? We mixed Vaseline with coffee. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with us. This recipe might just be the next hair growth breakthrough that costs next to nothing. Now let's get started. Today we'll be making a potent hair growth pomade, and trust me, once you try this, you might just ditch your store-bought version forever. Now let's get into these ingredients. First things first, we're starting with our base, good old Vaseline. I know, she's simple, she's affordable, but she's a moisture-locking queen. If your hair struggles with dryness, Vaseline helps trap hydration inside the strands, keeping your hair soft for days. Now let's start by transferring 2 teaspoons of Vaseline into the jar. Next up is sulfate. This will help to stimulate the hair follicles. We'll be adding in just 1 teaspoon of sulfate. Then it's time to add in our herbs. The herbs we'll be using include cloves. We call this the dark horse of herbs. These tiny but mighty herbs are loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that help strengthen your strands from roots to tips. Next, rosemary. This is the scalp stimulator. This herb boosts blood circulation by helping to wake up those stubborn hair follicles that refuse to grow. Next up is coffee. Coffee doesn't just wake you up, it wakes your hair up too. It contains caffeine, which increases blood circulation to the scalp. It also blocks hair loss, hormones, and strengthens the hair shaft. Last is star anise. It is very powerful for hair growth. It contains shikimic acid and boosts keratin in the hair. Once the herbs are portioned out, we'll be blending them into powder form for a better infusion. Once your herbs are blended, add them into the jar. Then we'll be adding in 30 ml of olive oil. Now it's time for double boiling. Once you have all your ingredients in the jar, it is time to double boil it. Gently place your jar into boiling water on low heat. Mix it in thoroughly and allow to boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the stove and don't wait for your mixture to cool down. This is because it could easily solidify quickly. Now it's time for straining. It's now time to strain it, and we'll be using a wig cap to strain it. Strain and transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your hair pomade. After just 30 minutes, our hair pomade was solidified and ready for use. Now you have your nutrient-packed hair pomade that not only helps with growth, but also keeps your hair soft and smelling heavenly. Your pomade can be stored in a cool and dry place. Store and use within 6 months. How to use it? This pomade works for all hair types: natural, relaxed, braided, and even under wigs. It also smells so good. Something about the mixture of cloves and star anise and the fresh scent of rosemary and peppermint, guys, it smells amazing. Simply part your hair into sections and use it to grease your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Trust me, your edges, your ends, and your hairline will thank you. This is an aromatic pomade that melts into your scalp. It seals in the moisture and it promotes hair growth. Now you guys should let us know down below if you'll be trying out this recipe. It literally has simple ingredients that lead to maximum results. Your edges and your hair will thank you later. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.